Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Winston trying to get around the corner, trying to run for the first down. He does. Now he gets to the outside, and it's a foot race now to the end zone. And he will score.
And from there, it's a foot race, and there's not anybody in blue that's going to catch Jonah Winston.
Here is Winston. He gets outside. They may catch it, they may not catch him, and he is going to score again. He is very electric.
You see the speed by Jonah Winston.
Go from the 10. This is Dunston. He stays on his feet and he gets in for the touchdown. Here's Schubach throwing it downfield. Got an open man touchdown. Freddie Dunston, a little razzle-dazzle for the Buccaneers.
Proud again of our effort in our second half, but it's way too many weeks this year where second half effort's been better than first half effort. We moved the ball all night. Last group even moved the ball all night right there, so really proud of that. Jonah had a big night, and I thought defensively the effort was outstanding in the second half.